Login EPORDO Cloud attendance software. So this is the main interface of the software. You can see here configuration. User can select different colors, different styles that you prefer to, which can create a more attractive and functional experience. Here is the structure of the DIY customization feature. The first one, customizable color schemes. Palette selection. Users can choose from a range of predefined palettes, as well as select colors for the background, title, buttons, and text. Dynamic preview. The real-time preview panel displays the appearance of the color they have chosen to the user, allowing them to immediately see the changes. The second one, templates and quick styles. Preset templates, options for pre-built styles, so users can quickly choose the theme that suits their organization or mood. This kind of personalization allows users to create a visually appealing, functional, and comfortable workspace, making attendance management a more enjoyable and efficient task.